videos. So. Alright, what's up everybody? Scatterbrain Dad here, MOBStreet 83. Today, we're gonna make a quick little video on how to change out solenoid. So, we've got this solenoid right here. Now, notice I'm missing a little plunger, but we're gonna use the old plunger because I had this floating around in my toolbox. So, we're gonna get this changed out, but first things first, we need to turn off the water.
Why do you always make me do this?
That's small.
I know. Even then, I still
Alright,
miss it.
so, water off. Alright, here we go. Let's go change this. Alright, now, some of you might ask why, well, I don't think any of you are going to ask this, but ask yourself how I knew this was going to need replaced. Well, right here I've got an alert, and right here it says Station 2, wire shorted. Okay? So, we're going to reset this here in just a minute, and I'll show you that. But first, we're going to go swap this out, then we'll come back to the timer, and I'll show you. Okay, here we are. Now, I don't know what happened here. I did not do this, but this solenoid is the one we need to replace. Now, this is not why the wire is shorting, but we should have some wire nuts on here. I did replace this one right here last time. So, go ahead. We're going to use Matthew's nice hands here. He's going to unscrew that solenoid right there. We're going to kill some mosquitoes while we're at it. But simple. You basically just unscrew it. So we're going to take that little plunger and we're going to stick it back in the new one. And then he's going to carefully put that back in. And be careful, make sure you don't get any debris in there, or it may stick on. So now he's just going to wire those wires back into there. And then we're going to put these wire nuts on them. So we're going to cut and splice this wire, just get a little new fresh wire exposed, and it does not matter. Woo. Oh yeah, look at that. It doesn't matter which wire you use. So you can wire up either one of these wires to either one of those wires. It does not matter which one you do. On this one, now, if you have a DC latching solenoid, it does matter. But these are not. So, real simple job. We actually checked this yesterday, and the reason why we kind of found out is, you know, we've got this flower bed or pot on this system, and it died. It's dead. No water. We've got some other flowers over there that basically are still alive because of the lawn sprinklers. These are the flowers and the line, the sprinklers. These are the ones on station number 2. So we're gonna go kick those on real quick. These are looking, they're not looking the best, but America, yeah, that's right. All right, so here we go. So we still got an alert. So we're gonna turn this station off. Now this will still stay on for a minute, but we're going to start the program. So that'll reset my alert. And we're gonna go to station 2. Look at that. Boom. Will you turn the water back on real quick? So, some of you might be asking, well, you just heard me tell Matthew to turn the water back on. But we didn't turn the water back on. So here we go. We're gonna turn the water back on, and this system should be working. Boom. That's working. That's now working. And the other flower pot should be working. That's on another system, not the same line. So, that's that. Super simple fix. No more alert. We'll run through, still kick every one of them on. That one's gonna get me. But just like that, like I said, alerts. That's how I kind of saw that. Well, I saw this because of the dead flower pot, but then we saw that, and that's why we're swapping out. So we're gonna make sure this is still going. Back to run, and we're out of here. We're gonna grab our sprinkler key, and we're gonna go put the box back on, the valves, and then we're gonna go back. Well, then we're gonna start our day. It's like 6:30 right now. So, yeah, up and at 'em early. Get outside, go make some money, go trim some bushes and stuff, mow some lawns, cut some grass. I don't care. Just get out, and work harder. Work harder, play harder.